Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will delve into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of April, 2025, our system has identified Amazon as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.16. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a loss of negative 0.90%. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.22% per day, since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline is expected. The 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 25.27% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 31.18% to negative 20.79%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 18.43%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 13.05% and 64.64% over the next year. In practical terms, this places the future price between $203.03 and $295.68. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline: Amazon's stock price ended at $179.59 on Tuesday, after losing 1.39%. The Amazon stock price fell by 1.39% on the last day, Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, from $182.12 to $179.59. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.48%, with a day low of $177.93 and a day high of $182.35. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.55% during this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 4 million shares, with a total of 43 million shares bought and sold for approximately $7.72 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, while the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price is 25.95% or $62.93, below the 52-week high and 86.24% or $1,125.61, below the all-time high on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Amazon's latest first quarter preview reveals a nuanced outlook as the company continues to grapple with macroeconomic pressures while showcasing structural efficiency gains. For the fiscal year 2024, Amazon reported impressive revenues of $638 billion, marking an 11% year-over-year increase, alongside a substantial 36% boost in operational cash flow to nearly $116 billion. Currently trading at 17 times its operating cash flow, significantly below its 5-year average of 26 times, analysts suggest a potential upside to $280 per share if the stock reverts to historical norms. In the cloud sector, Amazon Web Services demonstrated a solid 19% growth year over year, reaching $28.8 billion in the fourth quarter, despite facing short-term depreciation challenges. The deployment of 750,000 robots and a planned $100 billion capital expenditure in the fiscal year 2025 signal Amazon's commitment to building operational efficiencies and competitive moats, a factor that could lead to long-term margin expansion. However, the business environment remains complicated. The company is reaching out to its sellers to assess the impact of tariffs, indicating ongoing challenges in logistics and sourcing. Recent developments, such as the launch of ATM, an AI-driven tool aimed at enhancing sales for Amazon's business marketplace sellers, reflect the company's initiative to leverage technology for better performance amidst pressures. Looking ahead, while short-term volatility may persist, particularly given slower demand forecasts in related sectors, Amazon's focus on technological advancements and operational improvements positions it favorably for sustainable growth, potentially boosting investor confidence in the long run. As Amazon is set to release its first quarter earnings on April 28th, the anticipated financial results will further clarify its market trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMZN a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, JMP Securities reported that AMZN received a market outperform rating with a hold action. On the same day, Telsey Advisory reported that AMZN was given an outperform rating with a hold action. Also on that Monday, Benchmark assigned AMZN a buy rating with a hold action. Earlier, on Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, Citigroup once again assigned AMZN a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Amazon stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by approximately 5.23%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Amazon stock is currently experiencing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels of $180.69 and $194.47. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 43 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 40 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 36 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 26 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $178.41. This level may represent a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. In the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.42 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.48%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 6.21%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This reflects a relatively normal PE ratio, frequently observed in companies that have established long track records or exhibit predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.37. It is advisable to pay attention to these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $181.22. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $178.41. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of April, 2025, Harrington Douglas J. conducted an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Noe Indra K. conducted an insider purchase of 4,806 shares of a restricted stock unit award. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Harrington Douglas J. conducted an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Bezos Jeffrey Key conducted an insider sale of 239,843 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 4th of March, 2025, Bezos Jeffrey P. conducted an insider sale of 56,339 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 54.494. Overall, insiders purchased 221,486 shares and sold 747,262 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Currently, Amazon exhibits several negative indicators and is navigating within a broad and declining trend. We anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the present price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of April, we expect Amazon to open higher by approximately 368 cents and commence trading at $179.96. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Stop. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.